Righto, we have the AJP PR7 here, and I've been doing the suspension for Warren Strange this weekend at the Finke pre-run. Down here, we've got a beautiful set of Sachs forks that's good straight out of the box for anyone that wants to go desert racing. We've done some tweaks for Warren to help him get a bit quicker, and so far so good. This machine is excellent. We're just developing it for our specific conditions in Australia, but all in all, this is a very good package, straight out of the crate. Across all three bikes, the 310, the 510 and the PR7, the Sachs suspension is excellent. Highly recommend. All we've done is done some tweaks to suit our individual riders and their specific needs, but the base model package is very good.